In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group and ungroup objects in Google Slides. Whether you're working on a presentation for school or fine-tuning a pitch deck for work, knowing how to efficiently manage your slides can save you a great deal of time and effort. Grouping objects together is a handy tool that allows you to move, resize, or rotate multiple items all at once, rather than adjusting each one individually. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start by selecting the objects you want to group. So, go ahead and open up your Google Slides presentation. Look for the first object you want to group. This could be a shape, an image, or even a text box. Once you've identified it, click on it to select it. Now, to add more objects to this group, you need to hold down the Control key if you're using Windows, or the Command key if you're on a Mac. While holding this key, you can click on each additional object that you want to include in your group. It's crucial to ensure that all the objects you want grouped are selected at this stage. You should see a blue highlight or border around each selected object, indicating that they're ready to be grouped. Now that all your desired objects are selected, it's time to group them together. Keeping the objects highlighted, right-click on any one of the selected objects. A context menu will pop up. Within this menu, hover your mouse over the Group option. When you do, another menu will appear. Click on Group. This action instantly combines all your selected objects into a single entity. From this point forward, you can move, resize, or even rotate all of these items collectively as though they were a single object. It provides a very convenient way to keep related visuals in sync. But what if you need to edit one of the items separately at a later point? This is where the ungrouping feature comes into play, and it's just as simple. To ungroup the objects, start by right-clicking on the grouped object. As with grouping, a menu will appear. Hover over Group again, and this time opt for Ungroup. Clicking Ungroup will separate the objects back to their original individual status. You're now free to make any adjustments to each object independently. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage multiple items in your Google Slides presentations. Remember, mastering these basic tools can not only boost your productivity, but also increase your creative potential by allowing you to experiment with layouts and designs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making your presentations stand out.